Alright, hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of my Bioshock Infinite Let's Play. I keep on wanting to say Dark Souls, my lord.
We have company.
We do indeed.
Why are you following me?
We were already here.
Why are you following us?
Oh, it's these guys. Oh, cool.
What was that?
Surprising.
Surprising that it was.
Surprising that it didn't kill him.
Body can come in handy.
If it doesn't kill you.
A fair point.
Thanks guys. You're pretty helpful. Oh shit, okay. I don't like just not reading things properly. Like I didn't read that that would take away my salt in exchange for health. Yeah, no shit, I'm low on salt. Minus health plus salt. You know what? It might actually be worth doing that. And then getting that. Alright, let's just move on, I guess. What's that? Eat dog food? Eat hot dog. Fair enough. Dog food.
Father Comstock called on me today to write his biograph. Me. The man pays for exactly 100 pages in advance. Now, I'm half a Jew when I smell silver, so I say, Father, your flock would pay for 1,000. You know, why settle for less?
Whoa! Damn hook must be magnetized.
Looks to me and says, 100 will
Oh,
suffice, as I know how it ends.
Oh, fuck! Ooh, cool. Okay. So I wonder if like wait, let me just check if I can actually change my controller setting because it's kind of weird the way that it's set out at the moment. Edit. So this is the default layout. A, yeah, switch weapon, Y, iron sights. Fire vigor, fire weapon. I kind of like the way it's set out that my left trigger is fire vigor. Switch weapon, okay, fine. Jump, melee, no. B to crouch, that's kind of weird actually. Actually, B to melee is okay. Turn, ugh. Alright, whatever, this is fine. So, oh. Can't strafe for shit.
No point hiding. There he is.
Whoa. Cover you. Alright, my shield, okay. What am I, the Master Chief? Did they always have, what am I saying? Did they always have, whatchamajiggy? Hit markers? Yeah, that's right, that's what I want to say. Where is this guy who's claiming that he's going to kill me?
As our prophet has seen, the false shepherd has come. He has come to take our lamb and lead her astray.
Oh, right, that's the one that we're trying to apparently bring. Oh shit! What am I shooting at? All right, turret. Gotta regenerate my health. That's kind of cool. I hear voices. Am I missing something? A doorway or something? No way to climb up there? I'm missing a door, aren't I? Where am I supposed to go? This way. I'm a dumbass. I can't see shit. Ah. Oh. 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 Man. Scratching my face. Oh, that's what that sound is. I'm actually cool. I fucking missed. All right, just run, just run.
Everyone stay calm and lock your doors if you can. The Prophet foresaw this day would come, and he is prepared.
What the fuck? Man, these fucking guys are persistent as balls. Could really do with some salt right now. What the fuck? Okay. Wow, I'm just killing myself over and over again. Did I just like completely fuck myself? There must be something to grab onto. Am I safe? Oh, I'm fucked. Oh, nice. Nice. Lansdowne residence. Okay. Cool. I'm rich! Alright, time for a sleep. I keep hearing voices behind me. Oh, thank God. I was really needing to take a dump at that point.
Hey, it's all right. I'm not like the rest. I'm a progressive.
You mean you're not a fucking racist prick? 15 rounds is not going to do much for me, unfortunately. Alright. Now, how do I get out of here? Who doesn't have a front door to their house? Huh? Who keeps machine gun ammo in there?
Otis works up at the lodge part-time. He took...
Optional quests give you an opportunity to find valuable resources. They left
this box from one of their secret ceremonies, and I know for sure there is something dear inside. Problem is, Otis is more fool than not. He didn't bother to also secure a key from the Feathered Brothers to open the damn thing.
Wait, so...
Otis works up at the lodge part-time. He took this box from one of their secret ceremonies, and I know for sure there is something dear inside. Problem is, Otis is more fool than not. He didn't bother to also secure a key from the Feathered Brothers to open the damn thing.
Okay, so there's no key for it. Wonderful. I don't suppose I can use this ability. It's not really a machine, I guess. Right. Okay, so I've come and explored this area. Now what do I do? Oh, right. Shall I just, oh. Just fucking run. I wonder if I can actually go back there at some point, because, you know, I would very much like to open that,
Violence is not a foregone conclusion. Tim, the one they're after. Go. They're looking for you.
Oh, cheers, mate.
We're in need of your assistance.
They're here!
Shh. Keep your voice down.
Wow. These must be some progressives as well, I guess.
All right, let's move on.
Nice. And give me a key so I can go back there and grab that shit. Attention to detail. Cool. Oop. Come on. Alright, that's enough exploring. Let's go kill some people. Ah, wait. Do these guys not recognize me?
Halt!
Inside! Inside!
What the fuck? Fuck. Ah, shit. What am I doing? Oh, fuck. Oh, shit, I'm gonna die. Fuck. Sorry, people. My lord. Fuck me. Oh, fuck. Wait, just wait up. Oh.
Gentlemen, the false shepherd is loose in the streets of our fair city. Will you suffer the shame of allowing to fall prey to his machinations?
What? Daughters?
Act for
Oh,
your
well, to be fair, I am trying to kidnap someone, I guess. Oh, fuck's sake. There we go. Poor raccoon. Well, that fight went real bad. Oh, so the Vox is the enemy, I suppose? Oh, well done. The Vox... But doesn't the Vox popularly stand for, like, the, Oh, so it's not permanent. pretty low on ammo because I'm an idiot and like wasting it. Did I explore this area before? Kind of recognize it. I guess, where am I going actually? Go to the Monument Island and find the girl. Comstock fights the Serpent of Nations. Alright. This can't be a good place for me to be. Where's who? I love it when that happens. But not really. Feel for the guy, man. And like, these like regular guys just do not stand a fucking chance.
Angel Columbia gave unto the founders the tools to build a new Eden, they did so without hesitation. For 85 years they prepared the way of the Lord. But when the great apostate came, he brought war with him, and the fields of Eden were soaked with the blood of brothers. The only emancipation he had to offer was death.
I keep hitting Y to try and switch weapons. Man, I'm terrible at this game. The fuck? Like rotten food? Nope. Up the stairs then?
And so, the prophet led us into Peking, where we demonstrated to the Sodom below the true mission our founders had given us. And when the man and hypocrites killed.
Oh, fuck, he teleports. Oh, fuck. Fuck! I don't know why that was so scary, but it was. Gun him down. Oh. I'm a bit trigger happy. Oh, God. Where did that other motherfucker go? I want that teleporting power, man. Every time I kill someone, it's making that sound. I mean, like, should I not be killing these people? I mean, to be fair, I mean, they're a bunch of fucking racist pricks, but, you know, this is their racist utopia, maybe. Oh, nice.
Just what the doctor ordered.
Oh, fuck, now I have to go all the way back. Okay. Do I have to go all the way back? Alright. I might edit this next bit out if nothing actually happens other than me just running all the way back to where I was before. Alright, so we've run all the way back. Oh, is that it? Well, just Max out on our shields, I guess. I suppose since the shields regenerate, I suppose it's a good idea to stock up on it. And I'll just edit this stuff out while I run back all the way fucking back to that place before. Kinda want that sword. Okay, and we're back. Just walking around with my machine gun at the moment. This the radio announcer kind of reminds me a bit of why is there blood everywhere? Reminds me of the Fallout radio announcer. 3 Dog! Oh, you know, that guy. What could possibly go wrong in this scenario? Artemis Patra Nostra Defendere. Yeah, that's well worth it. Looks like a good place for an ambush. Whoops. Okay. This place creeps me out so bad. Protecting our race, yeah.
Sweet Mother of Columbia, why do we worship 3 symbols in your memory? We worship the sword, so that we might avenge you. We worship the raven, so that we might cover the city with eyes. We worship the coffin, because it symbolizes the weight of our faith.
Okay. Fuck! Fuck. So it's just white supremacists, not just they don't just hate black people, they hate all creeds. Alright, motherfucker. Hold and release to create an explosive trap. Fuck. Fuck off. Fuck, this guy's powerful. Fuck you. Yeah, that's right, suck it.
It's a new kind of vigor.
Murder of crows.
That's a hell of a thing.
Press to summon murderous crows. Hold and release to create a nest trap.
Wait. Oh shit, so I'm totally been using that fire thing wrong. playing this game optimally. Okay, so I think what I should... Gear is a special type of clothing that grants you 4 unique abilities. You may only wear 4 pieces at a time. Manager gear. Burning Hat Halo. 70% chance that a melee target is set ablaze. 300 damage over 4 seconds. Oh, so cool. It's a little bit like, yeah, it's very much like an RPG game in that sense. That was very reminiscent of an RPG game. Some more grappling now, I guess.
Bet I can get to Monument Island from that station.
Alright. I don't need health, actually. Money, money, money.
His eyes were blue, no, green. I can't remember. His eyes were bigger than that. Squinty.
Okay, miss, can you recall his hair color?
Was red and curly? He looked Irish to me. Yes, like that.
Okay, what about his temper?
Oh, he was certainly an anarchist. You can spot them anywhere, you know.
Oh, I know.
That's a close likeness.
There he is! Coward!
See me running, bitch? How was that not shooting him in the head? You. Well, I suppose I should just firebomb the whole fucking place, but... Ah, well, I was too kind. Was I meant to come in here? Get the feeling no. I just came in from there. Also, who would just like leave that kind of window open when there are people who can like go around grappling shit? Just does not make sense to me. Don't understand where I'm supposed to go. I'm clearly not meant to have come in here. Alright, let's go back outside. Ah, it's nice to be out in the fresh air. Is this place like a big old circle? I'm very excited to see some new weapons. Alright, Gondola Station. Okay. So, that was not a bad episode. No. At least I didn't die, although it was getting a little bit hairy for a while there. I'm thinking about putting the difficulty up. But anyway, I will see you guys in the next episode.